How to open Alibaba account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can open up Alibaba account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Creating a new account on Alibaba is very simple thing. All you have to do is open up the Alibaba application and then you will see this type of interface. Now come to the My Alibaba tab and then tap on sign in or sign up option. Now if you want to sign up using your Google accounts, you can select Google or Facebook. But if you want to sign up using custom email, then you can tap on the email button. Just make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use for your Alibaba account over here. Then after you do that, just tap the next option. Then basically it will ask you to simply choose a password. So choose a password, the first name, the last name, the country, the region, and then tap the next option. But on an easier note, if you would like to just continue with your Google account, you can tap on the continue with Google option, and then you will be able to simply connect your Google account and your account will get automatically created. That's all it takes to open up Alibaba account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.